Tashidili. Oh, yeah, Tashidili. That train, Chapsikola came in down on the man. That train color do. Jedang the Tachi, Namasanji Chula. Chu the Jedang de then I'm going to Jagat Sendana, the Tachi Capichilla. I leg even a Tachi Tella. Pen told me, Tella when you shall do Chungi, and the Robert Tuman, and the Dakon. They don't chimber, that Kongi, Colabana, took some Jishuna chance. So Robert Tuman was Chachabana, Koran Tachi, no Joe Jacob Gata, H. Mitomo Chow that she around to number Sanjaki. Maybe non treated when it's cheap. Donna Leviathan. And here, Donna Lev some my Bachine, a Korange, Anzuka non true, Tobata Sambata, Gomakarichi Ovena, Koran Julegana cheap. Number Sanjiki Chugia, Koto the Shadow Kari in a tear. Jedang Anzuki, Tachi, number Sanjiki Chula in Jurade. And it's here, Yabachu, my Bachine, Chica, Jagab Shendalapana, Tachi, Chapichella, Kegiton, and Winekora Tachi, Neverdo, Toba Mebachu go your motto. Their motto, number Sanjiki Chu there, Chi Jagab Shendalamazo, Chapichella, Kalakabarwa, Chapichetu Mala, that's on that. So today I want to talk about the Robert Tuman. So actually passed it some times ago. He was a great guy, and so he was, I think, one of the first Westerner who got interested also in Tibetan Buddhism, and he studied also in lots of about the Tibetan Buddhism, and he was a great guy. He was really compassionate, and I also got the opportunity to meet him a few times in Dharamsala when I was also studying there. I saw him, he was talking to our Tibetan Buddhism master. He came from South India. And I was just looking at him from the distance. He was a great guy, Robert Tuman. He was one of the first disciple of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. So in terms of learning, in terms of studying Tibetan Buddhism, so he was one of the first in the Westerner who interested in Tibetan Buddhism, and then he studied Tibetan Buddhism for such a long time. After completion, in terms of Tibetan Buddhism, in the perfection of wisdom, and also we call it as a Tantra, I think he was a master in so every all the kind of Tibetan Buddhism. We have 3, 4, 5 and different kind of schools. Also, we have 3, 4 different kind of we call as a texter, but he was really, really good. He was very good. And I was also very happy, and I got also a lot of, what call is the understanding about the Tibetan Buddhism through him. He was teaching there in Dharamsala. That time I was also there. I was learning Tibetan Buddhism in English to translate Tibetan Buddhism into English. I also, when I was in Dharamsala and when I was in India, I used to be also a translator of many Tibetan lamas and also the reincarnated lamas. So that's why now we lost really one of the most really important person on this earth. So who really helped, who really put lots of so the contribution to the Tibetan Buddhism to separate to the other world. So Robert Tuman, he was a master in Tibetan Buddhism, really. He was one of the first disciples of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. To the Westerner people become a Buddhist and interested in Tibetan Buddhism, and after that, he benefited a lot of so the sentient beings all over the world through the great knowledge about Tibetan Buddhism. So we know that the Tibetan Buddhism, in order to separate, in order to also not only for the Tibetans, if we want to separate the Tibetan Buddhism to the other world, then we must have a great knowledge about the language. It's very important. If we do not, and if we cannot speak the language of other countries or the other world, so we cannot separate the teaching there. So that's why, he also gave a lot of, he provided a lot of contribution to His Holiness Dalai Lama to separate the Tibetan Buddhism in other world through the master in Tibetan language. So that interesting that Robert Tumelani, the one who that Nuchu Jagab, that Pijay Mitambo, called Pijay Mitambo, Janguru Muji, one who a color that Tabachi, then Janguru Muji Loma, then Tina Neta Koragi, there's some Maya, then Koragi, Navasanji Chelabena, Teba the Samba the Gumba, Tosam Gomsum Chine. The chase of Joseph, didn't Koraga Karchebalo, the one Kora, Miss J. Jedangarazo Namasanji Chuki Penata, Jego Karata Kulondo, Karelado, J. Simje Pena, Teba Chimbolado, Simje Panishin, Yanda Sobe, Janju de Lado, Senji Senju to do, Penarani, Zoba Sanji Pena, Koba Toba de Lo Penaji, Tenechi Jelanga to Teba Chimbola, or Tende Sonsa. That's what I legone. I lay a cage to Machagora, Tajilako. They don't change so when you're Japan, they don't change. There's not that Maranzo Monecora, Namba Sanji, Chu, de Penachi, Jacob Shandala, Pena, Capichiel, Capicini, Mihale, Kachumuji, and when Maranzo get a lab. There's not that teacher Vanamanzo Halege Pambore. He was a great guy, so that's why we lost one of the most important person, one of the most capable of Tibetan Buddhism separating into the other world. So we lost him. So it's a great and unfortunate for all the Tibetans. So really, because he was not just an ordinary guy, he was not just an ordinary Westerner guy, but he provided lots of contribution, determination, and also he put lots of his religious service to His Holiness Dalai Lama to separate the Tibetan Buddhism and all over the world. So that's why, it was really very, very sad and very unfortunate, especially for the Tibetans. Interesting that Namba Sanji Chujura, the one who are Taji and Zambuling, Jagashandala, and Capichiela, Konga Hal Lega Benakungi, Robert Tumelan, when Omanga Dharamsala, Dedi Vacaso, Edunga Pagan, Nanchu Jan to you, Nanchu Jan de Vacaso, Dine, Geshe Sonam Ringela, Kongema, Puina, Sunjin, Teacos, Injiki, and Sunju to the air. Tajidu, the Chitang of the Teacos, Tati, Nanchu, Tonati, Vocalado, Namba Sanji, Nanchu, the engine, and the country, Jugo Yeme. Yes, I think that time I was learning as a translator, I wanted to become a translator, and also I completed my translation class in Dharamsala. So after that, I became also the interpreter of the many Tibetan lamas in Dharamsala, and also in India, many reincarnated, so the Tulkus we call as reincarnated lamas. Yeah. So that time, so I saw him quite far distant, or not. I didn't have an opportunity to talk to him like personally, but then I saw him far distance. He was talking to our Tibetan Buddhism master, Geshe Sonam Rinchen, and I was very surprised. I thought, how could Westerner people can speak such a good Tibetan? How could Westerner people have such a great understanding, about the Tibetan Buddhism more than the Tibetan itself, So that's there were also lots of Tibetan people there, but they didn't have a great understanding about the Tibetan Buddhism as much as, Robert Tumen, he has. So that time I was very surprised. When he was talking to our Tibetan Buddhism master, his Tibetan was fluent. It was like just flowing water without any kind of stoppage. So that I was very surprised. And then after that, I also found lots of, book he translated into English, and I also read them. It was really, really good, because I studied about Tibetan Buddhism almost 12 years, and I used to be also teacher of Tibetan Buddhism. So that's I have a bit knowledge about Tibetan Buddhism. So when I read all the books, written by Dr. Robert Tumen, I was very surprised. Really, it was a wonderful written, and also his understanding towards Tibetan Buddhism was absolutely fantastic. So that's why we really lost one of the most important person, one of the most important disciple of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. That's not that Nochi Jagabgi, Dangarasu, Jangurumachi, Loma, and Yashuji, Dangarasu, Monechi, Nyajapan, and the Ronchimbarwa. There's not that Kondo Chashaban, one is from Halegi Penatachi, Maranzo, Namba Sanji, Chujola, Miseki Penata, Pevaina, Tetola, Misi, Tonamejo, Namba Sanji, Chujo, Chugotola, then Sugi Shabu Yame, Namba Sanji, Chuditanda, Chijaka, American to Chashabana, America 没忙不起来，变那口头的写到有呀，比看起不了的，其他的工商那边的工作就是不就不空给固定来的，原来的 robot 对面来你的空没白呢，原来这边的家去忙做，稍微你过来这边做土样嘛，robot 对面来你们的恰空的我恰边了，大概嘛个嘛，我那过来去，还来个边那去。所以，给别人他每次车上都接，南巴上去个去了别人，托送工程接的。人家所以给南巴上去个去了别人，特别到上巴头我们看的接也不一样。第二几趟过来去，南巴上去个别人去讲过一个没有看的人吧，古龙看的人吧，第二的就是常见的先个段，先段接也空了，哦，真正进来空给我那过来每次接吧，上就没接给我呢，好了他去，所以给我人不进来别人，上就没接给我呢，没接南巴上去个去了。就那这深圳了，我的人间有人，他说的这趟江浙省边的，他觉得边的这样，我做陪伴人边，200元嘛来讲，人家没去南巴人那边的，南巴上去边的去了边的，托上公司今年，第一到了托上公司前那边的，这马上做过了，人间当边的天天有人了，那陪伴人了200元嘛了，去家伙那了卡起去是吧？要说他改个头呢，我就去，到是西单门的我头呢，他去深圳了，你的原面300嘛多。这他优秀给别人钞票拿来垫吧呢，马上这个南巴山这个去个往头接吧呢，搞老的，深圳本来现在这杨道做被抢救掉了，台北这边深圳的可能，深圳现阶段那边的，让你边的这上街呢，毛边边的深圳现大边的，靠我东岸那边的，台北这边是吧？台北这个边的，纽北这边的，他们那2百个呢，那台北这边深圳这边的2年前的，天天接这个打，往这个打这台北全部来的，深圳来那个民的有嘛的嘛多。对那边那他等着2个今年，我那过来优秀个钞票那刚的有的。看了的，接到俺那时候，他没通的就把看了的边那，这 DCB 老多个样子，他那不对清的来你去了，不对清的来你这个真难事嘞，不对清的来你的，我那过来俺那时候个，还来边的这也不用回去，第一那了俺那时候个，这陪陪个老多不会忙不接的边那老种边那这老种接个边那国家边。老种接头把的，看了点的做嘛了都，这他做的看了都，你就两个给金大特说了吧，金大东北接特说，他特说了俺那这个这趟去，北边这边那去，南巴上去去去个哪里去？台北、金门那里的，深圳那里的，原来俺就考上这个边的，学术没不一样呀，2年工作几个月不的，俺这个边那工作哪里打的打的，俺那这个南巴上去去的2个月了，去台北、金门那里的边的现段做起来。让给团的边呢，让你给团看你这边的多少钱呢？先给团做几年的了，那台北全部老过了。现在说呢，台北全部深圳决定这边呢，康萨卡西这边呢，按照就去这边呢，这出路线那边的优秀拿了，恰边呢，卡西就有了。台北全部决定边呢，深圳给决定康萨呢，台北因为200有嘛了，台北英国也有嘛了。或者这个边呢，恰边呢，不对清的，他那按照说，台北给不对清的来你的。电脑的老表不过卡住接了老种的，老种本来电脑老种推荐卡住转，老种这个国家不是专业的说，本来企业本来就编造的呢，本来推荐专业的说什么优秀了，忙起，France 的、Germany 的、America 的、England 的他，他们被企业家用是做不的，是吧？编造的呢，可能过来的这金巴当钱的，他知道嘛？这金巴当钱的，因为俺那中国那过来不对清点了，他的呢。那就是别嘛的，俺们就是别嘛那个，他就得接不了。俺们就是别没给别那，是吧？别嘛了，当他出来这个，俺们那边那拉过一个都是下一级的，俺们拉过一边那家庭全部这个都是的岁吧了都，这家个农村家个弄的有被金大的这个事了。也说俺做上路当过的别开全部的，俺们就是别嘛的家庭全部没来了嘛的，家庭全部来的。现在呀，俺们就是别嘛的家庭全部一般那些。别俺到这边的不对清的个，老多特说个，有些下个月份那些，去家个给金大特说了，也不多，俺们就是别嘛了这些，去家个特说个编造个东西这些，要就钱没办法呢，俺们就是别的别人做来别告诉，查东边的哪个东北leon就了，人家说了不对清的的家个边的，别想从这搞完了用过来，他说的去家个哪里有边，我那去，当不边的去，俺那这边的他去。去了个王头见了，南巴没那样，南巴呢，拉上这个我呢，过来去，2年今年这边呢，还来这边呢，刚上门不去，我呢，他萝卜头面的我恰嘛，可能我呢，他去去路边呢，他去南巴见的，可能我呢，过来地接的，南巴上这个去了，另外有什么就可能我呢，台北有你给没起来，台嘛到这趟的， Then so that Tabachimbu same day and you that you think you've been a consigna, Taji the pen of Peva in Guyajida, Taji the Maranto pen of Gomba, Travel pen Aneda, Kusho da, Kimbo da, Lama da, then it came my pepene, Gombanari Shugi, Zumba the Zuma, they might be the Nijiata, then being ever Yomara. That's not that high leg on it, Robert Tumendo charge of Maranto Monecoro. Number Sanji tree depend a chi, Jagalman have been a capital of Conge, high leg and one Conge Chimbuere. Dr. Robert Melanidi. Yangurumaji, one Loma Tango. So he was one of the most, he was, I think, one of the first disciples of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. The Western people become a Buddhist, Rocheda, Horadaji, Nucha Jaka, Mia Benata, Namba Chinjura. And then also, his also understanding towards the Tibetan Buddhism was absolutely excellent. I met him also a few times in Dharamsala. And that time I realized that, I was a bit surprised, how he understood, I think he spoke in the Tibetan languages. I was very surprised. I thought, how could such a Westerner people can speak fluent Tibetans, right? Their origin of Western, right? But still, they can speak, I think, better Tibetan than, some Tibetans in terms of the grammatical, without any terms of the fellow grammatical error. Chi Jaka Gubena, that Peke de Jani, Kunzuku Peke de Jam Bukaso, Aranzuku Pepe, Peke Javale Jai. Kunzuku Moniko to some Matu Bachene. Kunzuku Peke Jabukaso, Kunzu Tango Janduni, Goni to Jang the Chi, Kalapene Jalan show you, Mara. Tang answer penetration to a shape of Casson, to catch a shape of Cassina. Yapo just on the Tomatina, do some Jiconochi. Oh, to some Japanatachi, Namia the one to Japan, Namia Gipanachi, those are two Joda, catch a shit on to do some judge and a someone in a Mandig. That's how I knew Yoman. Che Jacob Josu Gopanachi, Peke Jabo Cassona, to some someone in a Matuajan. Some doubt on the one for a Tata. On Tulajana, I was really very surprised, When he was speaking in Tibetan to our Tibetan Buddhism, so a teacher, I think his name was Geshe Sonam Rinchen. Yeah, actually he came from South India. He was appointed by the Tibetan Buddhist teacher from the South Indian monastery, and then he came to Dharamsala, and then he taught us. And that time I met him, I met Robert Tumno for a few times, but I didn't talk to him. He was standing a bit in a distance. He was talking to our Tibetan master, Buddhist master, and I heard him. I was listening to him, and I was very surprised. His Tibetan was absolutely fluent, without any kind of fella, without any kind of mistakes. I was very surprised. And we know that his understanding toward Tibetan Buddhism is really, actually, as the same as a Geshe from the Tibetan monastery. It's absolutely. So we lost one of the most important person to separate the Tibetan Buddhism into the other world. He was not physically, with us, but his legacy, his contribution, his determination towards not only the Tibetans, but all sentient beings remained as long as the world remains. So he was a very, very important person for the Tibetans in terms of protecting, preserving our religion. He put a lot of contribution towards our Tibetan Buddhism separating into the other world. So that's the Quran. So that time I was also Dharamsala, and I was learning how to become Tibetan translator. I was also joining the translation class. After completion of my translation class, I became also a translator, interpreter. I also interpreted a lot of Tibetan lamas and also reincarnated lamas in India. So what I mean, he studied Tibetan Buddhism. He got an understanding towards the Tibetan Buddhism, but he also utilized what he benefited from the Tibetan Buddhism. He also shared with the other people. So that's really important, because the motivation, the intention to learn Tibetan Buddhism is not to gain the personal profit, not to gain a personal profit, but to benefit to the other beings. Right? So that's we call Tepa Chimbo. Tepa Chimbo means this is actually the Mahayana, the great path. Right? Tepa Chimbo, the great path. So definition of the great path. 台北军部今年看了多，是吧？深圳版的现在就杨道做被抢去的了，台北军部那年的本来抗战抗日起来下过了都，本来这深圳县就都让你本来这我们做把商业对不落月吧，是吧？深圳县给东西的让给本来谁给本来对吧？有这个，但是打抗战，公路决定去了，深圳县到了偏大一个本来。公路原因给别人刚才都说了，那台北军部娘们，台北军部深圳觉得 ，that's called as actually the practitioner of the Mahayana, 是吧 ？The practitioner of the great path. So it means your motivation should be to benefit to the other beings, not to gain a personal profit, 是吧？第二，他台北军部来年等下说看着这种问题结果了都，台北军部的台北面包来着，第二个台北看了都，让顿做起今年就说了台北面包了，现在做起今年就说了。So actually we got three different kind of paths there. So Tepa Chimbolo da Tepa Membala da and in Yento da Range Johnny Tepa Chimbolo da Sente Judin Kansala da Elebena Tepa soon the Yeva Church and Dura in the Sonsa. That's all that Robert Malani the Concusheba, the Concusheba Dingan, Monecora, Namba Sanjiki, Chuchi, Chi, Jagalo, and Capichi. legging around so that Carlo Benaji, me kitchen Bushuji, Tangaron to money. That's all been never charged and a contact never charged. There's not a high leg upon board, there's a high leg upon board. Penatanga to the charge of an G, number Sanji, choose the Lomone, G, Yamlinda was a time is a ditching, time is a visit and a tower remote model. They call a high leg and a urine budget. John Touches, I do. Yelapena Tonati because number Sanji, Chude, Rebecca Ben Lama, Kusho. 제 게시도 주고 많이 봐. 제 자감랑도 예비 미수기 많아서 남바 산지가 주. 제 자감 전달을 빼게 되나. 링크 빼서. 빼게 되는 샵주슈죠. 빼게 되는 디나 제셔가 some time because I think Robert Thomas he was one of the first Westerner who separated Tibetan Buddhism into the other world. So that's why we know that. Now in America, if you go to the United States of America, you also find a lot of American who has a great understanding towards Tibetan Buddhism because of the benefit and because of the compassionate and also the conviction and determination of Dr. Robert Thurman, So that's why American people, they got a really great understanding. There are lots of Americans who have more understanding towards the Tibetan Buddhism than Tibetans. There are lots of Tibetans who don't have any understanding, who doesn't know anything about Tibetan Buddhism. But the Robert Thurman, he benefited our Tibetan Buddhism, separating into the other world. Through that way, a lot of Western people interested. They also awoke interest in Tibetan Buddhism. And then also, they're convicted. Not only, interesting, but they're convicted. They practice. They implemented it, put into practice. And now we know that. If you go to the United States, we find a lot of Americans who really expert and master in Tibetan Buddhism. Because this is because of the kindness of such a great person like Robert Thurman, and also there are some other person and other people too. But he's one of the most important. He was one of the most important who benefited to the Tibetan Buddhism separating into other worlds. So that's why we should never forget his kindness, his legacy. Of course, his legacy remains as long as this world remains, or the Tibetan Buddhism remains on this earth. 그래서 다 코란기 전에 알아서 원에 거라 남아선지 주 제자가 전달을 개별 제야주도 공기 변화 알아서 다지 샵주슈가디 양고로 문제를 다 공기 원에 거라 할래게 삼지 매자베다 양고로 문제를 원에 변도 좀 좋아해. 알아서 배바다 다지 배배게 변하지 양고로 문제를 용하였음 게 대바여 제제자 제 양고로 문제를 제 자와집에 추팅 필라 제제 제라에서 다도서 니마 지니 삼지 마도 미세가 다지 미세 변하지 라렌 침부 다지 요 말아 다 로버트 투맨도 차차가나 다지 최기 짐발라니데 짐발라니 싸셔게 지란 최기 짐발라니데 짐발라니 싸셔데 최기 짐발라 상생기 짐발 미지비 짐발 최기 짐발라데 짐발라 나무 숨시오라 상생기 짐발도서 지단도 짐발 대성원에지 주자라변나 칼라도 변나 롱모반나 세티야 무이메저로 무이기 변나 로버트가 지절라 상생기 짐발라라 다 미지비 짐발라도 라니기 변나 소데 제 샹게 돈달라 변나 땅고 중바이나 that I am a Michi Bicone, Michi Pony, Jipami Bicone, Roa, that Jimba Tanka Dena, that little Michi. Church Jimbala in the castle, that is something major better. Jimban and Jimban the Chodu Gibet, Church Jimba Yingu with Junsen Ladu, Sugar Tolo Koto, the Shadow Yabu Yabena, Church the Langazo Tosam Consum Yabu Chebena, Anzo Tanda Consum Kova Lake with Junsen the Kaladu, Maripa, Timu, Lala, Chidan Doja Shedan Timu, Tinan the Timu could just so cheap a gone, Take a penata, Chile, or Netan Doja, Shedan, Ngaji, Kondo. There's a good general to cover the gear. Anto Pena Kova Pala with Junsen Kaladu. Anto Pena Kova Lake with Junsen Kaladu. Ju, Doja, Shedan, Penatimu, Juche Begone, the other Pen Sinjum, Shedan, Ngaji, Maripa, teacher general Kova Lake. That there's so on to get. Kova Lake could be duty pen a young Tapa Pena to go over Chevala, Chugotola, Koto, the shadow go. There's on the touch, Jimba the Tambaina, Mishandala upon a tree shebena. There's talk of penny Yami Chechena, Contuge, Kove Sawa Tunjik, Maripa the Karimba, his Contugi Chene, Contugi Yami Cheba Yena, Siti Lugela the son Jigi Marete, Yena Yamazone Korachi, Pena Mutin the Penangara to Kotachi, Yami Cheta Biena, Roa, and a sign gay yola. Sign gay you be Junsen Kalado, Deshe Numun Tukuyo like Chapsalata. Timami be Yela number 10 Ladokal, Semji and Tamji Yula, sign gay. San Jero good years. Good year, but I'm going to hear money. Good amount of picture of a dancing. San Jacob and the reading until yellow. Deshing Yumbolani. They were shipping Yumbolani the country Shago, or Chuku Timami Beranjin Shago. Depanaji, yet Duman and Doja the Sheda, the Timo, the Maji Kondo Kangi Penamaju, Penaji, Chuji Ying, number of a kind bed, to just same thing, Julie Yobate. Anto Kaladu, Julama le Sungoyo, Javacham. The senior Bondukuya like Timami be yellow number 10s. The Alatin and Anto Katachi, Senju Pagueji. Anto la Pena San Gieg Pena G. Kokada. Anto Pena G. Semjan Tamji San Geroins Lagu Junsen Terra. Semjan Tamji San Jins Lagu Mare, Lamba Sanji Chujobanto, Semjan Tamji San Geroins. Geroin Lagu Junsen Kaladu, Semjan Tamji Jujula, San Gigi. Deshin you would you by Bechena, and send them just sign Gero is shield. That's what I'm going to that had been a Chuji Jimbalanity, other than the Jimbalan and starching body, start Chuji Jimbara Lago Juncenter. Jeda Sanzik Jimbata and the day Jimbade, Abu Marella Mare, Jimbatan pay your mare, Lavumare, Sanzik Jimbare, Miji Jimbare, in a Chuki Jimbalajide, Jimbalangan and Chodu Juva with Junsen Kalado, Chuji Jimbati Kisi, Antu Tanchine. Parubuti, Maranzugero, Kobe Sawa Kaimba, Maripe, Kobe Sawa Tunchingi, Kobe Sawa Nipen, one Korata, Maopa Pena Kovala, Wami to Pena, Kimagobe Pena, Juti Apuja Hakoina, Roa, T. Guchine, on the same gentleman, Saji Ekipena, Kokabio, T. Junsen Lower. There's no Chuchi Jimba the Haleg Sachin with her. That intelligent is some of Tambena Tadam to Robert Tumelanidi, that Lupin Robert Tumela, that Geshi Robert Tumela. That Robert Melanie de Bena Consa de Condo of Chachaban, Sam Jimmy Japa. How leg when I was on Namba Sanji Chu, Chi Jacala Bena Chapichella, how leg when we champion. Tadam of Benari, now change in Ari, Layama, Tajin, Yabuji de Chevan, Ari Nala Namba Sanji to Chujola, Koto the Shadow, on a high leg in a Yabu in the year. Then the Kaladin, Jumsen Kalad, Koki Katin, Kotambore. Taji. Nocho Jacob me, Namba Sanji Chula, Penaji, Tonale Guyachida. In a number given a tree, there's all in Yamechi Goji. There's all been a chi, Jagala been a capitino. Copena Tatina Nichi Coreta, Robert Tumelanide. There's a home, they don't chamber, that is what Tenga Young with Junsen. He was very, very kind, and his loss was a great damage for in terms of Tibetan Buddhism and the separate into the other world. There's no Namba Sanji Chu, Chi Jacob Dola Beneji. Cabbage, dear Tolangan to some of them, and one of we lost one of the most important person. He was one of the most important person. He was the first disciple in terms of the Western people who become a Buddhist, and also practice the Tibetan Buddhism. In this one's on one Tachi Chugutolo Banati, Koto the Shito Union, Chugutolo, those Benadi Union, Robert Timmy Lanity, one the Mara to go on some major Pongoni cutting somebody. Jangurumachi Benaji, Loma Tambore, and a corner given a number Sanji $2 Benaji, Tosan Gomsu Chene, Tosan Gomsu Chiava Sama Imagine, number Sanji Chile Benaldo, Tosan Gomsu Chegovati, Kulon Kandi to Golado, or Shendu Chechido. Tabachim Judean Law, Simja Panishan to Yando of the Chanju de Law, Simja Shankedon, Shalapen, Panta Yakido, Simja Shampen, a San Yakido, Rani Gipenaji. Kobesawa Maribel and Doja, she not Dimo, I just want to that as some of my Chumeji, Chu Yamnechin, Colon Tindiji Kid in a Kansaji, Tangantungo, Marazu Kineta, she never sound to do, and to Halem with simple joke. Taji prepare Nala Yure, Chitana, Chukutola set up and a G, Yamno Major, Chukutola set up and Namji set up, she a Kotu Magic in Raw. Tanganto Chacha and Monecora, you are Chukutola Moniji, Halegi Benaji, Kalado, Kadunaji, Tonati, the Jida. Because then I used to be a monk for many years and I also completed my master's degree in terms of Tibetan Buddhism. So when I was in Dharamsala, he was also there. So Dr. Robert Thomi was there. And he was talking to our Tibetan Buddhism master. I think his name was Geshe Sonam Rinchen. He was appointed by Tibetan Buddhism master from the Sera monastery. So that I think I got a really great opportunity. So I felt very fortunate to see him, Robert Thomi. And secondly, I was really, really surprised how he was speaking Tibetan. And his understanding to Tibetan Buddhism was actually unbelievable. Unbelievable. Because I know that there are many Tibetans who don't have such an understanding towards Tibetan Buddhism as Robert Thomi has. Well, then Robert Thomi, he is not original Tibetan. He was born in Western country, and he became a Buddhist. And then, so he studied, he practiced. He started, so the other language, others of the religion, but despite that, he became such a great master. So I was really just completely shocked when I met him. I met him in Minton. I saw him quite distantly. He was talking to our Tibetan Buddhist master, Geshe Sonam Rinchen. And I was listening to him when he was talking to our teacher and how he was speaking. His Tibetan was absolutely fluent. And he was talking about Tibetan Buddhism. I was completely shocked. So that's why we lost such a great person who really, provided lots of religious service to the His Holiness Dalai Lama. He also provided through his service from the religion to the other world. So now if you go to United States, we find lots of Americans who have also great understanding toward Tibetan Buddhism because of his kindness. Of course, and a man is His Holiness Dalai Lama, and His Holiness Dalai Lama taught him, and he became also one of the first disciple, the Western disciple of His Holiness Dalai Lama. And then he got a teaching from His Holiness Dalai Lama. And then he practiced, he studied, he practiced, he listened, he meditated. And after that, then he also separated. But this isn't how. This isn't the motivation, the intention. So we must have, when we want to study, we want to practice Tibetan Buddhism. Why? The question is why? Because we want to liberate the other sentient being from the nature of the samsara. The nature of samsara, so which is the suffering. Right? Yes, I'm Namba Sanje, the Chivalani, the Chevamer Chadro, Tebachumo, the Teba Membalani, Chevamer Chadro. Tebachum Benaji, Yamnejing, the Tebachum Bena Kansa, Benaji, Sinji, Judin, Kansati, Chechu Carigolado, Sinji Shanket and the Benaji, Robert. And a Tangandos of Chachavan, the Tangomachi, Chunda, which he did to Hakodura. There, Maran Desagap and the Jagatin Leni, Lord Jesu, Kunjo. Tangalang, there are ones of Pepatos or Kangi, Karitivan, whatever, in terms of this problem is about the law, about in terms of, the problem about providing the financial, so the support, that Kari Chigo in a Benjo Tonare, Timgo Tonare. ဒီနေ့သားချင်းနာမည်သူဆိုပဲနော်ဆိုထင်းရတယ်ကတော့တက်ဆာမကလို့တော့တောင်းကမပဲနဲ့ချုပ်တော့တော့ဆိုပဲနော်သောဆုံးကိုချဲဆပဲကချီချဲဆတယ်ဒီကဟာခုတော့တော့ရဆောင်တော့ချုပ်တော့တော့ဆိုတနတဲ့ပဲနော်ဒီကကြည့် automatically we also we realize that how important to benefit to the other being so it comes automatically because this is the blessing of the Tibetan Buddhismဒီကနေ့ချုပ်ကြလာတော့ချုပ်ကြလာဂျူလာbecauseချုပ်ကြbecause goalတော့ကြည့်ပဲနော်တဆိုတဲ့ချုပ်ကြလာဂျူလာညတဲ့တဲ့တော့So this is actually one of the most, what you call, the magical power of the Tibetan Buddhism or the Buddhist teaching. When we study, when we realize that, when we put also into the realization, so we also then, we gain this kind of profit automatically. But this is not just a personal gain. This is, I think, one of the most important profits, which we cannot really find in the world easily. To benefiting other. It's not easy. Nobody wants to, benefit, really. They always want to, provide, first for themselves. But if you study about the religion, if you study a little bit about the Tibetan Buddhism, if you also try to, what they call, to build, the little bit sense of knowledge about the Tibetan Buddhism, so it comes automatically. So you don't have to put any effort. Once you have got this, what I call the great nature, the great habit to benefiting others. That's what that chuggy chilap sig the tender. Chuggy chilap jula because chula jing on to get pena, tell some goes to Jenny, gee, Lunga Yisum going to one echo the chula roa, gee, Kulo bena yan tabu going to chew in Yamne bena, Djibouti and one, Yaji, and the Yon Shajarwa. That's all that. Mission up and a robache, mission dollar pen and digital, Injimija Lama Tower, Kimbo Gishi, in Gumale. Roa, they got to Kolo Nanda Konakoni Siena Penangan to Dicheben. Le Jundelani de la Lua me because Djibouti wants to one coraji, so go me part of the simple Sambogone, G. Robache Vatela, Djibouti Lani de Yacha Janet Jamimba de Araso Namasan Chu Nalisegula. G. Kashi Penata, Tata again, the mission that Robando Che the Vena. Oh, Tangala Kaya Rama, so some sort of Didn't you pena some quarter cost Sigri, and with so $2 quarter the shelter manner? Raw. Yena when a $2 quarter the shelter Yapo Yobena, Nami can do Yondan de la Nyop and the Yondan number Menda see you, but they want to $2 also quarter shelter in a Haku de Vicaso. There's a Janet so low the easy chechora. Yena till Revachi do your money. Near Mission Dollar Robert Chebecosa, Mala Dendra Rayon, some such a they couldn't the hand of a child. In a thing, intimate Rava Chegu Mare, Call the late Jundelani, Roa, late Jundic Namshade, late Jundel Luba Meto, Yabachina, Yachi Yungre, Dubachina, Dubuchi Yungre. In a Yadu Karina, tin Jibiti, Tachi the Bena, Tata Benachi, Tonju Nunji, Eva Yoman, Tonju Nunjula, the Tantanga to Kuma to Jabayana, Kashi Kuma Jajan, Chaba Jenny, Tatan Zambolina, Kora Jami Kibutan, the Yero. That is a Koran to Benaji. Church dollar that is the decision. Under number Sandy, Church of one to Chebana. Call Tonju Nunju in Manyon. Yana Cola, Kene Nunju. Yana Cola, J. Landan Shella Nunju. Yana Cola, Nyo Mangeba. Teachable common with Johnny, Koran get other than a Kuma Jabjadilla. You just Janet Nungu Yavadi, under number Sandy, which you not shake. Then our chin and want to get Tosa, Tikola Hakovina. And it's just on Alina chicks. Like a Tuja Chejura. Think what a new to do it. I let when a gazing chumbo younger. Got the numbers on the issue and the late Jundic and Namsha Chevati, Maran to Chura. Anto Namba in Shura. They never think you're Chambo Tanjara. Roa. There's on the Telegy, want to Tito Koto, the Shadow Yogan, tell them to some Tangaro. Roa. Young to Ben a Haleb and a young Sabuji Yoba Hakona, they told him to delete their gun donor. The Chigamarwa, Marpen of Sahag and Yanga Hakona, so soon job Chigara. Then I see Benegidi, Landoki, Benegidi, Roa, Landoki, Benel, Link, those that the internet of the chas. Gidi Landoki, Benelingo, Caripe, Vanity, Nami, do it there. Mamchi, never telling young Yaba Indo, Roa. There's not a Telangantu subject Chigara. Then there's that Tirinjanga turn a Benegadi, the Shigo with Junsen Kalidu, until Robert Tumelanidi. One a Korachi. 할 얘기는 삼비 매자 비미지 다가생가 중 여자 대동 침바래 so 공기 콜라 다지 또 주네 돼서 하더니 다지 제다다 알아서 원에 그러지 배반하게 되네 배반하지 대동도 침바 가서 대서로 싸워만 자디 지야리데 이나 콩 나지 집에는 대동 침바 가서 원에 집에는 가서 비미 뒤동원에 대롱원에 싸워만 자다 몰람 되야다 제 곰바다 대서는 원에 샤핑 자야다 근데 제거대 할 레경원에 개침부르다 거기 삼제 매자병도 넘어 산지 그 줄을 편도요. 대 같이 지티요. 거기. 오늘 거라 나중에 대 같이 지티요. 다 대롱에 대서를 같이 지 편도요. 뒤기 주는 안쪽에 편합지 미 같이 지금 안쪽 다 넘어 산지 줄을 편하지. 도난 랩전에 넘어 편에 줄전에 안쪽에 편에 넘어 산지 그 추지로 대편하지 송접 진이게 편에 미 마음으로 말도 대라 도난 체를 체는 도보이나. 봐. 이나 가지고 추대변나 제den지 감도 유용한 내기로 와. 단다체는 삼로당도 삼지 매샤병원에 고서미 깨닫지 보지 오늘 갈로다 짜침부 조조고 want 제베나 당보인다 in terms of separating Tibetan Buddhism into the other world I think he was very very important he was one of the most important person for the Tibetan Buddhism for the Tibetan Buddhists and also for himself His Holiness Dalai Lama too because he also provided a lot of religious service to the world. He was one of the first in the Western, so Tibetan, I think Tibetan Buddhists, he was one of the first disciple of His Holiness Dalai Lama, and he became Buddhist, and then he also learned, he also got received a teaching from His Holiness Dalai Lama, and then also practiced a lot, and then after that, what did he do? What he benefited from the Tibetan Buddhism, he also shared to the other world, to separating the Tibetan Buddhism, the importance of Tibetan Buddhism. So that's why he lost, really, we Tibetan lost one of the most important person. So that's why I think we should also, activate so aspirations or the prayer for Robert Thomas, the rest in peace. Just on that, Then so that teaching that the Samba got Haleg when Samba Jogoyere, so Haleg Samba Jogoyere. Marantu Gonegora Tachi, Chueda Rishu Yonso Sobata, Jamiki Pena, Same Tangine, Atesochi, Kale Kaletachi, La Sueg Pena Mindo, the Chi Jagamneta, the legend of Tony Bagoso, Tatesochi, Kuse Matenchine, the Zone and they don't drive because of nothing on Haleg when Samba Jogoyachida, one a day. Low Pambode, one low Pambode. And which Yamato Tachi Marantu gave the Chug Sunjo Chia like the Peppa Chipo, Sunjo Chia Scale Marata. Chu Sunjo when you got the country chew. Nambasangi Chu depend a Chappy country chew. Nambasangi Chu Chappy Tiela, Chi Jacob being on go to get it in Yapper to share go there. If you want to separate Tibetan Buddhism into other world, then you must be master in the language. You must understand the language of the other world. Otherwise, you have this kind of an intention, but your intention remain as the intention, but you cannot put into implementation. In order to implement, there's not a category. So we must master in language. There's not that cake on the top of me. Robert Tumendo Chachabana, actually, I told you before that. I met him 2-3 times in Dharamsala. I'm not in a person, but I saw him a bit in a distance. He was talking to our Tibetan Buddhist master, Geshe-la, and I was listening to his Tibetan. He was talking to our master in Tibetan. I was completely shocked. How he's speaking? How could he speak such a good Tibetan? He was not born in Tibetan family, and he is Westerner. Yeah. He was born in the Western origin, but still he can speak much better than other Tibetans. In terms of, lacking, and in terms of lacking grammatical error. Because Dosum given a year or 2 there. That's the Peke have been a Peke Java in a those are here. Dosum Namia to say Yapojaman to Tajataman, then I got no to Katsujere. Right, if you try to check it, when Tibetan people were just talking to each other in Tibetan, so we can find also lots of mistakes, right, in grammatical error. But his Tibetan was absolutely spotless. One Mr. Chimbuji, Tangaranzo, Monocora, Pepe Chuton, never chow, Cora Jitan, Jessa Dogena, Nujaga Gabriel, Cora, one Cora Lunga is in Java. You also Tabangazo, Namba Gazo Pepe, Chuton, Cora, that ditching Robert Tumelani. So that's why, so it is really a great unfortunate to lose such a great person, especially, who is master in Tibetan Buddhism. Tibetan Buddhism is actually, apparently declining. Namba Sanji Chulani, Taji Kale, Taji Maji Nyamdoya Modo, that Tendeki to Dukajila, Anzuka Moneko, Chugutola, Koto, the Sheto Uni, Deya, Chi Jacob, Kiri, Tony, Chi Jacobla, Aranzuka Chu pay to me. Then me when a Goma Zordi because of the Samba Yogo, Hal Legi. Taji, Chua the Rishon to the Anzugeta, Danya Chego Laichura. Then I saw that paper, the Maranzu Monogoro, Pepe Chuna, Chua the Rishu Dani Kantis. Chua the Rishu Danya Chinichi, Chidangarazo, Pebena, Lama, Tawa, Kimbo, Gavi, Shini, Monocoraji, Zulakan, Juniata, Zumba, the Zumavata, the Zotan Monocora Chugotola, Yami Chivere, Conambi, Kulon did it, Conambi, Mio did it. Monocora, Tangazo, Namba Sanji, Chukan, Nyamba lost the mini conveciade. That she jackal the test and young around to go back to Gunana, soon then a digiomata. Then I'll open a G. She said open a core maton, this is Japan as Namba Sanji, but the Urum to Negu, the Urum to Man. They penacoton sample in the pen, Yakan, Chichipena, Chapter, pay to Booger. They pay them to package with Japton a packet on a pay to Mother. Conto to packaging Mara. There's a telling a pado. Cake it on the top of me, but you go here. That's what that Dr. Robert Tumelani. So he was a prophet. Oh, because of forget it. That is young and I loved it because of that. She attempted. Thank I turned the love because of me, my Yango, Tagaji. Thank I to Robert Tumel country of Juyobo, Kongi Pena, forget it in a country you may. That's not that. For example, on Yella did it. Some major meeting, one of our G. Chugatolan, Koto, the Shadow Pay, the Nichi, Korangi, Tabachubu, on the same day, you didn't give a Kansa Imba Naji, and a jungle which you doing a Koran, Ta, Nambeg, Penaji, Loma Che, the Neti, Jela Korangi, Chuelo, Tosum Gonsum Che, the Nikoragi Taji, Chugi Penaji, Koata to Yapo, Lane, Chuchi, Mu Karim, but the send out a penitentiary. Saying it turned out to it, the raw. They imba the Hakone, Yamlin Kandichi. They mother church and the church of Rani Tondalaji, Benjo to be a chedu, said the Lepena Digi, Chedu, G. Roa, Dina, Digoma, Negabena, Lada Mia, Covantabeg, the church of Vanity, church to make a Kulon de Cora, Kulon de Kulonyanta of Marwa. There's on the Daji, church on a G, do Dichi, because on a temperature on a Simchi Judin, Kansaji, never to Yingo there. The energy been a temperature with senior sharp because on Simchi Vanation to Yanda to be changed. Simjin Shen Benaji, Kobe Jazole, Kobe Dungalep and a Tower Chavichidu, Rani Pena, Zobe San Magina, Kalandi, Yam the Pena, Tende, Kulongi Pena, Kidanger. There's not the DNA Sanjay going a Bayomara. Robert Tumenta Church and Kulon Tinda was a kid in, and to Namba Sanki Chude, Zambuli, Jakapena, Jakap Chandala, Kasi chicken when a cabbage. There's not a. Or did you not that thing at Twinkle the when some high leg when a damn chick? Jitan Namju Pena Chu, Dolotos, Koto, the Shadow, the Chuki Pena Cheton, Chula Nupa, Chula Pena Conda, Vince Pena Tachi, Della, G. D. Chitin Jura Della. Chula Pena G. Cheton Shani, Chula the Tachumbu Yungube, Junse, Sinina, that Chu the Capicinigi. Kansa Pena Yene Menachi, Zambuli, Jakap Chandana, and Namba Sanji, they never charged her. There's all that. There's one for a leg, but a simple go there. Tangarando Church when a cousin to one. You may need some Moland over there, Molam Jab, the Chevy, that one go to the Jab over there. The name of Molam Jab, the name of Che, the Movache with the leg kitchen with the Suzuki, Molam Jab, and Molam de Movache and Pen to your mother. Movache, but when I got a Molam Jab, the hot leg and a Nuba, J. Bunju Sahib and a J. Cheva and the Cheju to make it better than the year at Akalo, the guessing year. The year by the number Sanji Chuna, she Euro, and a G. Just a Tom Jelly and also give a G. 항배 지역은 잠불리게 변해 야 사자 탐제 변한 거저 꼬베가 요거 저는 아주 꼬베가 당가 말했어 에나야 변해 깡티를 변해 꼬베jon이 주다 변해 꼬와치 그와 주다 거로 꼬와 유제주 그런 제발 가원 도세 돼서 잠 꼬베 요거도 집에 지잖아요 야도 전부터 가지고 변해 차이기 난 뒤나 변해 차쇼고 저는 가지고 차 당가 말해 에나 야도 나라 변해 차티버 제참 야도 탐제 변해 갈래 변해 차우장 대선도 가지고 뭐가 지란지디 뭐가 제바디 나랑 집부터 인사사이나 미치부터다 인사잖아. 텔케요 말이야. 저랑게 차대 저랑게 가위 집어 날라비 루바이나. 저랑게 차대 심보제 찬디디 주마라. 차대 변에 지한다 변에 내가 나 루바이나. 미 마음부지를 팬토로 어떤지 저는 뭐가 제단 주라. 그만저다. 남바 산지기 된다. 지 추고도나 변에 냠내 지내다. 냠내 제바 가서 추되라. 냠내 제바 뒤에 집이들라 가서 지 잡에 동변 줘야다. 텔레폰에 계신 책을 줘야 돼. 또 뭐가 되면 유엔에 매니저로 Yes, on the dedication prayer, dedicate. So we have to dedicate for the other people, you know. If you do any kind of positive virtuous activity, so so the motivation should be to benefit other. So it means this is the great, the compassionate mind of Mahayana or the great path, great vehicle. That's what our Chetando, the deeper. There's also Tongonekoraji Halegon is some majority. There's on Danga Gaji the Kang, Mama Jukuchura, Kala, the thing out of Puripon, the Yonso Topic, Hako Guyachi, the Hama, the thing unto the Hasa, Tanyum, the Shaske, whatever, somehow Kogura. Jack is the Chuko, Koto, the Shadow Kaime, Chuko, and visit them, and you, Chula, in Tankai, Martinina, the Sawan according to you, Mari. 안저 칸에 가서 최대 리쇼트변에 순접 제고리 최대 리쇼 순접 제고라도 최대 리쇼 순접 제라도 가서 나를 자는변에 나를 다부잔 데스케 말이야 리쇼 순접 간디죠 소마도 껴봐 간디진 껴볼라도 그래서 치 작업들로 변에 강변에지 자치정은 변에 빼야다 차비하게 변에들어 예전에서 변에 내봐도 탑시 동으로 얘네 유녀 된대체를 따가서 저 산지기 때문에 변에 지달 변에 저러 지삼지 변에 지에 가서 자치를 변에 찹지 침바이나 대나 싶어도 유령도 내라 아니 계세요. 텐데게 변하지 상지지 때문에 아주 변한 담불에 신다나들도 다지 베베게 변 주소 주보나마지 제 자가고 베베 치지 미시면 대저 따라 소속이 나랑 쪽이 깨나지 거기 공기 변에 되나지 아주 그 벽에 장전에 아리레 딱한 로버트 멜라니의 제당 가서 다지 베베가 다지 주도나라 다 신년의 공부를写了 갈라두고 최고도를 시다변의 고도도 저도 최로 도나시다 마트에서는 코란게 변하지 안쪽에 남바상지기 지 베베 주도나라 샵지도 최초도는 샵지 주저 장으로 봐 대소도는 공기 변의 샵지 주받는 미지 이 하고고 말해 냐포도 하고고 그래 대마동아도 다다 각각 지감게 변하다 최대리 좀 승접 제가리 최대리 좀 승접 제가리 니를 숨리 지르게 대 다가서래 대 다가서 오늘은 대 다가서래 그냥 빼빠지라 코란다고 차차반하고 자민이를 코란다고 야야 좀 마주 제대로 그래서 너는 제나 로봇으로 걸어오네 코라게 마지 메만투세 배나 공양도 마공배는 안에 주 되니 다제돌로 주 되는지는 안 주고 오네 최고 돌로 오네 싸움게 매죠 조조돌로 샵지 주니 로 먼저 남바산지 주 잠불에 배나 여기 미신이 이거 변도 롱반 남고 만에 캡이 지내게 미 개체 보진 대동 좀 말해 처음에 그때 몰람자 처음에 그때 많이 된 오늘 전 다들 라고 그러고 그래서 지종이나 오늘 그러 배미리를 사서서면 윤예지 배그 최대 리종을 변하지 최동 통일지 뭐가서 그러면 도저히 점민을 놓고 쉬셔야 되다 아 당가서 달라변에 지도 저서나 다 깔린데서 참아야 아버지 그 주사 봐봐지 깔을 거에 계속 그래요. 얘나가서 깔을 거에 되지 단답변에 깔이 잡고야 돼. 안도 그 죄다 리종 삼에 쳔바. 여섯 변에 냠발로서 미냐 컴퓨터 이렇게 지들어와. 깔은도 저기 랭공원에 걸어다. 지그 라서 남다기 변에 랭구 변이게 변에 깔이나. 아니 랭구 때려와다. 다 텐데 랭구 변에 계속 변이지. 땅안도 이게 리어 말해. 콘 대동시 친 말해. 콘라 싸우니 리어 말해. 다시 변마서 계시 시바 분에 뒤에 퀄리티 또 직직직 되는 게 돼서 까만 가지면 돼. 그래서 우리보다 용서 좀 상당 그래. 변마서를 심해줘도 많이 가지 지금 싸워지는 지금 말이야. 코랑 원에 코라지 강 도도진의 랭귀 변은 도도서나 먼저 저런 발라서 제 그긴 정도면 그 지금도 깔래 잡는 그런 게 누가 강된 돈에 거 가봐 있는 개 체리 체세 보라 그 제디 그래 그 라디 그래 그 또디 그래 뭐가서 창아 중에 대해서 그 ben지보다 안 더디기도 야마트는 라니도 미디 먼저 제단 거라 배미 뒤소래 제단 별이 분달로 샤사선의 유니크 미지 말이라고 준센다 자민들은 도시는 파gel랩잖아 빨리 이쪽에 배bat해서 배나 최대리 좀이다 배나 개침 보이면 최대리 좀로 최동 뛰니다 대소로 고샵도 쓰고 지니까 미인저로 공자 엄청나 루고로 와 내리 시에버렸다 내동치 말했어 대소도 너무 자고 그래서 많이 뛰는 거래서 가진 침보래서 먼저 시제요 말해 가되나 참장하고 저지네 거라 재밌는데 다 깔려져서 잠아 달려져서 깔려져서 그게 좋았어 깔려 그게 삼래 다 돼서 따야래 깔려 그게 깔려 돼서 그 랭고 가르비기도 사마 소소 그 뽕지도 장전이 야 자주 미장이 배당 저 하고로 돼서 다 돼서 가 미세 뱀바트에 롱아는 미세 가서 레바스케메 얘는 뱀바트에 레바스케메도 그 깔려 돼서 미세 레바스케메 다지 지거세지 지거에 삼사게 레와메 얘나 양아는 좀 원에 거라지 라상 남다고네 가시 님의 그 돈이지 소소는 제와 까망하지 매죠 코랑군에 제사 아리리 제조래 코라치 작하고 매래 콩가서 그 남바산지 주고 돌아배는지 남바산지 주도 배는 냠들에 라늘에 또늘에 코를 주도 코래요 뭐 코는 대와 코를 자우요만 된다 미지가 원에 코라 남바스지 주래 된다진의 돈을 대지는 코라 남바주 되니 주에서 냠에 제가 싸움만 주에서 최배 당당하서 아리나라 남바산지 주고 돌아 고도다 시도 연예계 몇 가지 줘 대참아 그게 가세지 될 팬토예요. 그 중진을 땡지는 아주 미 가세지 변 상지게 땜바 송예게 변 미 가세지 마운드 chen. 그래서 대전도를 녀파도 시고 그래서 떠나태고 그래. 뱀이 뒤돌라니데 원에 거라 뱀이 뒤속에 시경하라니잖아. 최대 레죠 용서도 봐 도사마사 보라라 삼노다네 개천부터 라 주지요 말이야. 그래서 개천 거래. 그래서 되니 다들 많이 봐 다가서지 코란 파지 가되는 지 천장도 보지 가진 점을 거 로고 준서 가진 돌고 점을 주는 거 가를 파자셔 bomba 토서는 거라 롱하게 막 만한 것은 대비 롱하티나 그게 bom바변에 자자 동동시 도요 도야 옛날 토지는 그 잡지기 도는 안 좋으면 가를 편도 줘요 토바 장조고는 뒤야 말이야 당번에 차지 줘거래 토서는 안 랭고 되지 나 되지 되는 거는 되게 되는지 통계를 삼사진이 차지지 않는 로고래 제 자가를 받는 저벽에서 비밀 속에 빼셔도 삼아 버리번도 영서도 제 자가도 자가는 유배 그래서 참에 그 샤다고 줍전에 변에 깔래전에 빼셔디죠 제 자가 되속에 변에 샨데라죠 빼셔도 다가마 고바준도 chuy는 매베고는 제 참장도고 내전에 빼셔 당선 뒤에 말해 미유 가야매죠 미유 까망하지 매죠 다가마가 미말은 고고다에 저 bomba할 수 있는 빠지잖아 가리요 나한테는 빠지기를 가요 빠지를 개요 말해 내려버려 도도 저거래고 아주 다시 배박에 변화 장 같이 기어면다 코로나 시종 레턴 띠고로 당어서 깨지 시에 마시 개요 말해 대고 돌아가서 깨지 시에 그다 못 차버다 못 차고야 뭐는 못 차고야 다 영으로 뭐 제가 마음속에 쇠래 변화 다시 나한테는 가서 배박에서 마음속에 지 마음속에 란다 변지 제순 주겐인 도도지는 알아서 그 민잠지 기도만 샴베로 왔다 돼서 얘네 다지 배받아서 뇽 중다 다지 디나래 디니 제 쇼가게 변하지 시행고게 뇽 대조게 미도 마한사도 GSK 메로마다 때마다 거는 거라다 제 야 배받아서 거네 돼 나에게 뜻을 거라다 다 드리지 가서 요한 거라 말이야 자원이네 요한 말이야 내가 롱알을 거 따다 가자지 두관도서 거 잠불이 배제 자갑지 라면을 드세요 영수도 건 더요 거 가르시에요. 가른 주요. 가른 토비요. 그 롱아이 저변아 데베 롱아이 티나로 거기변아 잠불에 자급 연수 줘발로 거라겸 돈에 그게 되는 변한도 이be 빌어본데 저서 그 도미에 토당 돌아 도서 변에 지 자갈로 변에 삼고다 뒤돌로 존속에 잠밀에 변에 누셔도 버테로 지게서 셔로체 와 변한도 이번 가서 버리변에 저서 변에 니돈을 세모를 텐돈에 니모를 던달라되죠 대서 어찌도 그 가르기 링크 빼죠 코라 무고선 잠불리게 변에 Jacob also told Ben Chamjam daughter was something. Control and also the kissing carry chong. Jammy can also pay nothing to put up the physical opportunity to summer. Say I want to the Jammy locked in the lodge and also get it. That paper and you can mean I never so you can language to pay you. That take I remember saying could check Jagam do a you also top a quarter judging. Permitted to get a homo penage. That is been a silent and you get been a non to attend a consumer material. There's no been a Chunala about lose your mother. There's a curry paint oil. I do Bamba said in the judge in the show. I see John at that, but then see John, Jorumbo Coopare, Jorumbo Coopare. Bamba said, Lani, me the one Coraji, Studio Tambo Unity. I said, and Joanna Manjan came at the see John Chin, I said, some younger man, Miss Tamala, and the research in Yomara. Calendar, Yaji, Tops of it. Show us some Jacapoli near each other, get the chair. That discrimination is one of the most, also called the destructive, method. Azukaza di Chiajora, that Chikti Lanjora, the Samia Tanjora. Color that the discrimination. Discrimination color, nearing a Tanche Chiajora. Other than example in a Kangate, there are so many problems in the world. What is the cause? The cause is discriminative thought, which considered as one of the most destructive methods, destructive tool to destroy the unity. There's not that members in there. There, Mato, that she Koraki Monaji, Demba, Tambo Tanjang, Lingo to the Yata, the Pay, do the winner, Kayo Marango, Demba Langazu, the Chego Yomare, Cartino called Jundi Chegore. Koraki Kale Japan, Cookie Manjana, Kayama, Kasi, Sijon also, Sijon Samala Benaji, Sama Ripisarchina, Yomare, Kachin, Janta, Kachin, Yena Yanchi, Koraki Ben the Lingu page and a Bena, Antuki Benachu, that is Roa. Kanji told a pen talk mebena. You don't know the nearly chatter the Tamshi Chunamaje. Tamala gonna jig, Tata jig on Mata. So, economy thought like you to tell her. Nearly chatter maybe gonna touch it, Duce Jajura. Koran Kavache and discriminate Chajura, Kaduni, nearing Tony Penatamshi Chia. So, then that chair because so discriminate lanity Yobana, so discriminate generate hate of that. Roa. Nearing given a social load, take it in mission like a Magavachiata, mission like a Benaji, Shena Tamachin. So come to you. The nearing Chatan Tamchi Chivora. The Chego Yomare. Tamchi, Sunja Nabaco, Chokasumja Monaco, the Chi to Diaga Tamshan, Chokasumja Chigunakora, or even the Shariji Beshatala, you don't want to say some mind, but mean to begin a Benashariji Beshatagi, Dushi Shoutin, Konak attended over Tamchi Chimbana. She's all now, Chokasum Baruki Bena Puripun the Gula, Tutun Tintan Yogre. Gangi Benaji, Goje take a martin about two Benalu Divacaso, Roa. Copena two Jan Divacaso. And I thought when you got a G, Roa. Sherry did the Vigival and when you got a G, so long on the Ripista you join at that Mare, catches at the someone in a corner Mare. Taking on to Chokasum Jacoparu, that Matu to Zuir. Some dancing in that Benaji Benaji. Cooking Yerin Chatan, Tamsha Karichabana, the Missabena Chitana, that is to Duegi, Jukora to Umaro. Kaladu, Dematero Korega Katemoko Katishabana, this Tamche the hand of Maiba, the Manto Chitola Pen to Eka Tamche Maiba. The Kazima took a koto the Shadow Yabena, the Yomara. Dematero Sidores Lato Koi, Inia, Chikalaya to Quill, Latte Combo, couldn't Zuka Tentela and Shari make Dushi Chadiniki, and to put it on the Mongo to Yedi Picasso. Taking on to Karchauta. Take a tachi, Dempatin Tamotanja Lagala Dunito, Dempatin Chichoti, Jiggy Babena, and Jiggy Mindus. Tangandu Chachana. Mando Chachana, Dempatin, the Junji, Huna, Chick, Haduning a Junju Chid, Gopa Junsin Chini Mabicone. She made Junju Savan or Chuma. Near Bena Junju Chego, Junsen Kaladu, near Chokasumja Chiti de la Cheton. Chokasumja Chiti, Hale Sachimba. What happened that when a Shariji Bishara Dusheti? Sachimbuji Indu, come Muchile, on the Puripan the Shariji Beshara Dushe de Labina, Ding in 대마동에 gel에 뱀바세를 균주 제거에 개마 가정이 균주 제거래 뱀바세는 그 땀새 지조디가 먼저 초가 숨지가 버르게 변하지 라 튼데를 그지 gel에 변하지 냠차 두고 매바지 와 초가 숨지 버르게 버리 변하고 저리 집에 샤라게 두시되라 지 gel에 베지 그네 이 지금 매바나 도포 두고 매바나 이게 깨지 거야 그래 요만해 뱀바세로 거래 gel게 가르치는 뒤오래 얘나 콤미 다가마 미규마마 다고니 야 시종이슬라고라 시종게 민지 키드네 깨서진이 된데진이 셰진이 초가 숨자 버르게 변나 버르를 뚜야다는지 그래서 때 칼레게 데려와 다 가래 지 다 갈로 대중은 탑도로 빼 탑도 원래 거라 그래서 다지 드링아 되네 이제 계속 시고에 준세가로 동안서 또 로버트 멜라니 동안에 먼저 남바산 지금 추가인데 지자가로 빼야로 공가 할레기 거네 거라지 배춘처 보다 샤지하고 쉬어래 콘도고 차셔보는 거네 거는 누초 자가가 미 이니 장구로 뭐 지금 로마 담보지 차요래 이니 코라 오네지 로마지 대전에 코나 남바자 대전에 남바산 지금 추쇼로 오네 거로 고도다 시도 삼지 미자베 알아서 베리번다 되절에 콜레베나 고도다 시도 자자 잔이 잡는 자치길라나 예 싸우니는 거래 자주 말해 된대게 미지를 오네 다 된대 미지에 가지고 다지 알아서 베베 찌쪽에다 나라다지 경구 첨부지라 다 콩라도 가서 콩베나다지 구통 콩대바라 콩대동 심바데 가서 삼지 매체병 가지고 베베 제다 알아서 베나지 남바 산지고 줄라 롱아 유승게 대바 진이 좋아 그래서 할래게 변한 거죠 경호 첨부지다 나중간에 거래지 냥에 제베나 제 님어지 차디오래 알아서 다지 레네 사제 칼전에 변한 거죠 최대 리중 용서서 베자미게 짬에 땅진에 얘나야 되네 장고 저요 뭐 거선 하면은 그 주주배 좀 공변나 다지 전주를 팩도 정도 공기 공내 거지 제제 창나 변미그 변에 두제 진랍을 땡진에 이니 최대 담미냐 공배 냥발라수 제게 고갑증을 줘요 다전에 되는지 다 개베신이 되네 제 알아서 그 다지 초가 리서 맞고 개베신이 라마 자와 캠보 대마이 베더니 두고 다들서 코나 베더니 진에 다지 알아서 그 댐베게 다 메론다고 지 야스트 번다고 지 중요해 근데 다변의 로버트면도 차차마 안쪽에 변하지 산지게 댐바 가이 베데 이제 이제 감데 유럽 never 세비치도 안쪽 가로네 땡지기 끼부도 고요래 땡지기 끼부도 그지 많이 변한 안쪽 산지게 댐바데 네게 사원이는 거라 탑람 요 말해 산지게 땡지기 끼부라니 땡지 미제 라마 타와 캠보 인고 말해 제다고를 최고도로 고도도 시도 야부 유니지 최대 원에 거는 전부리 작업 센터를 변나 빼투니 아란쪽에 남바산지기 최가인 베데 지삼지 변나 제 타른 거 변나 전부리 그 작업을 빼투 변나 대삼지 거는 안쪽 남바산지기 최조라 된 전부리 되려 변나 네비 개선이 네비 개선 좀 보여래 이런 거는 할래기 변나 개발 좀 두고 대 개발 좀 손님 거기서 또 로버트면 로버트면이 여자다 대롱 친소아 다 공지도가 되게 깨지셔 레마 할래기 변나 짜좀 뭐 이거 really one of the most important person for the Tibetan community, Tibetan society, and also for himself in His Holiness Dalai Lama too. He also provided lots of religious service to His Holiness Dalai Lama through separating the Tibetan Buddhism and other worlds. For example, if you go to the United States, we also find lots of Americans who have a great knowledge about, understanding about Tibetan Buddhism because of the kindness of not only His Holiness, also indirectly the kindness of Robert Tumon. He also separated. He also taught lots of Tibetan Buddhism in the United States. He has also lots of the Buddhist, we call it disciples, in the United States. So now we lost really one of the most important person for our community, for our Buddhist society. So that's why I just came on the social media that it's very, very sad day for us. And I also made the aspiration, the prayer to rest him in peace. He was a very, very important person for us. There's no doubt. Halleg me when he came to Shuji, and then they don't chimber. So then this one's a Tini Tachi Namasanji Chu Lanijura, Yelangazuka Tachi, Sunjob Chego Lanidora. Chu the Richu Sunjob Chila, Sunjob Chila, the Nalashan Sunjob Chia came on it. They didn't come Yonsu Topal and Cabbage Chego, Sunjob Chego. 지삼정 가지고 변에 유 망아지 변에 자체해 주변에 캐베체 도변에 대난지 가지고 산지기 때문에 자체로 두고래 가세지 자체 변에 때 누비아기 변에 고갑디 융아 요래 they lie ko kam nyunga yore then so they beg chido in order to do that in order to separate the Tibetan Buddhism into the other world so we must be master in language there's a to ke do ne nya pa do thoba me pa go yo o tisli yore do Robert Tumela ni do kon le yore okay chu juju one some the mecha bi ne then the mecha ga so da ji nga ro su ge da ji zo na ne la ba le ding ne ha le ge ne kyong gu chim bo de o ti do na tuen yi ene nge ge ne da ji de la ji zo ta ji do le tuen ji ne ge ji xie gui ti ji ka lo da ji nga ji bi nyum ske ma re ne ko ro ji bo ri ben da yong su zo ba ne ko le sem la ha le ge ben na ji tu pham go ye ji da ne nyang ye ji go ye nyum ji ne ji chue do la nam ju go ne chue la ji che dong ti ne rin tang ti ne chue do lo ko do de xie do yu ni yi mai na Robert Tumen Lani Tigi, Konki, Tangazuki, Chojo, Tony, Shabji Shujura, they call us Samlo Tambena, and the one Kongi Kadinji, and the two Namia, one is to Mare, one is to Mare. The young Rumaji, Gongo, young Rumaji, Cheng, Robert Tumen Lani, the Mikani Jimba. Oh, this year, oh, yeah, then the Tangi get the Kang, Mamaji, in Capichuroche, Kang Mamaji, Dukocheroche, and it's Samal Tashi Delay. And have a great day. And in Nima, Jibo, Yabo, Trashibe, and a menu,